Our continuing coverage on the fallout of a federal court's decision to dismiss a case involving cities ticketing tribal citizens for traffic tickets. We first brought you this story as breaking news at 5:30 when a U.S. District Court in Oklahoma dismissed the case, Hooper versus Tulsa. I took a look at some of the details on the case. Similar to the McGirt decision on the federal level, the original ruling of Hooper versus Tulsa brought in several questions on how local and state governments can handle legal cases involving tribal citizens. Hooper's case was a federal ruling stating cities on tribal land, including Tulsa, do not have jurisdiction over tribal citizens when it comes to traffic violations. Since that ruling, we've brought you the fallout, which led to some cities cross-deputizing their officers and making deals with tribal nations to split the profit made from traffic citations. When this ruling came down, Governor Kevin Stitt says the ruling created two sets of rules for people in our state based on race. When the case was brought to the desk of the U.S. Supreme Court in August, we told you they declined to consider it, bringing it back to the federal courts here in Oklahoma, leading to this dismissal. Federal court documents say it was dismissed and Tulsa, quote, no longer has jurisdiction over municipal violations committed by its Indian inhabitants. We received this statement from the city of Tulsa Friday afternoon saying this is one of several cases currently pending in state and federal courts to address the same issues, so the city of Tulsa has no further comment. For now, Hooper versus Tulsa ruling is still consistent with that original ruling, but tribal citizens will still be cited by either cross-deputized officers or any officer if their driving is a risk to public safety. And we are still learning more, and for our complete coverage, you can find it by searching Hooper in the Fox 23 News app or fox23.com.